Hello students, myself Mutturaju NP, working as assistant professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru 2. Now I will explain about the maximum blade efficiency of impulse turbine with two stage. That I will explain. See, this is the first stage velocity triangle. This one you have already seen in the first stage derivation, one stage derivation impulse turbine maximum blade efficiency. And this one is the second stage. So from the first stage velocity, the fluid will be comes out with the V3 and then making angle alpha 3 with the tangential blade speed U and blade angle beta 3 at inlet and all the things this one you can write yourself just to practice this one. And before the derivation, please note on this velocity triangle properly. And already I told you people that the steam turbine, all the steam turbines are what? Axial flow steam turbines. The U1 is equal to U2. So U1 is equal to U2 is equal to U. Therefore, please note on this velocity triangle properly. Pause the video and note down the velocity triangles properly. Next you need all these things. So work developed by the first stage, W is equal to VU1 U1 VU1 plus U2. This one you know very well. This VU2 U3, the U should be there here, that common U. Okay, next first stage you have studied beta 1 is equal to beta 2, VR1 is equal to VR2 is equal to VR, VU1 U1. This one you know very well. Just do the analysis cos beta 1 cos beta 2, then you feed the values here, then 1 plus VR2 by VR1 directly. You please study this one, these things. Next VU1 U1 VR1 cos beta 1, these things you know very well. All these things you have studied already. VU1 plus VU2 is equal to 2U V1 cos alpha 1 minus U in the first stage. Therefore W is equal to 2 V1 cos alpha 1 minus U, 2U. Okay, next this one very well you know. Exit velocity triangle, work done per kg in the second stage turbine, it is W2 into WU3 VU3U. Why? Because the exit out of the turbine at the exit two stage we are considering, no, then second stage will be the exit where exit V3 will be axial, V4 is axial and alpha 2 is equal to 90 degree, VU4 is equal to 0. Therefore VU3 plus VU3U, that's all. VU4 is equal to 0. Then this is the thing. This one you know very well. So V3 is equal to cos alpha 3, V2 cos alpha 3. So V3 is equal to V2 is equal to, since out of the turbine whatever the thing it will be there, exit same thing, alpha 3 is equal to alpha 2. That concept you want to write here. V1 cos alpha 1 minus U, VR2 cos beta 2 minus U1 means V1 cos alpha 1 minus U. This one you know very well. You please note down these things. So these are the things. V2 2U, VR1 VR3 cos beta 3 is equal to 2U of this thing, and this one will be W2 is equal to 2U into V1 cos alpha 1 minus 3U. Therefore beta 3 is equal to beta 4. Therefore LG is equal to VR3 cos beta 3, GH is equal to VR4 cos beta 4. W2 is equal to VU3 U of LG plus GH. These are the things. VR3 is equal to VR4. VU3 U is equal to U into VR3 cos beta 3 plus VR3 cos beta 3. 2 times of VU cos of beta 3. This one you practice properly, write down in your notebook. And then alpha 2 is equal to alpha 3. This concept you note down. W1 is equal to this one. W2 is equal to 3U. 2U is common. You take 2U outside and then 3U minus 1U, it will be 4U. So 2V1 cos alpha 1, this plus V1 2 1 V1 cos alpha 1 2 I am taking outside. then it will be 4u v1 cos alpha 1 minus 2u. This w is equal to 4u into v1 cos alpha 1 minus 2u. Blade efficiency is equal to 4u of v1 cos alpha 1 minus 2u divided by of v1 square. This one you know very well. 8u, see 2 will be goes here and then it will be reciprocal, it will be get multiply, and this one v1 I'll split u by v1, this one thing will be happens. So this will be the thing. So just note down v1 everything you know very well. 2u square divided by v1 square, v1 by v1 square, this 2v1 square v1 will be get cancelled. u by v1 cos alpha 1 minus 2u square by v square. So 5 is equal to u by v1. So put this one 8 of 5 cos alpha 1 minus 2 5 square. Maximum blade efficiency. The blade efficiency with respect to phi should be is equal to 0. That is the blade speed ratio for axial flow. This one thing. After the derivation, you will get 5 cos alpha 4 cos alpha cos alpha 1 is equal to minus 4 phi is equal to 0. Therefore cos alpha 1 is equal to 4 phi. But in single stage, what you got cos alpha 1 divided by 2. Here you are getting cos alpha 1 divided by 4. Just keep in your mind in examination. You can if you get confusion, just do these kind of things. So that is phi is equal to cos alpha 1 by 4, like that you go on writing. And new blade efficiency. So 8 phi cos alpha 1 minus 2 phi square. Instead of phi you write cos alpha 1 divided by 4. So cos square alpha 1 divided by 4 minus cos alpha 1 divided by 8. 2 16. 2 ones are 2 8s are. Take 8 4s are 32. 8 I am multiplying here. 4 I am multiplying here. This will be 4 cos square alpha 1. 4 cos alpha 8 by 32. You know very well. 8 4s are 32. 32 will get cancelled. So maximum blade efficiency of the two-stage turbine it is equal to cos square alpha 1. You know phi is equal to cos alpha 1 divided by 2. U is equal to v1 by v1 cos alpha 1 by 4. So v1 is equal to 4u divided by cos alpha 1. W maximum blade efficiency. For W maximum blade efficiency, that equation you recall, the W1 plus W2 is equal to 4u of v1 cos alpha 1 minus 2u. So W max is equal to put in the place of v1 as 4u divided by cos alpha 1. So 4u, this one I will cos alpha 1 will get cancelled. 4u minus 2u 4u into 2u 8u cos alpha 8u square. 4 into 2, so 4 into 2, 2 stage into 4 square, 2 square u square. 4 2 square 4 into 2 8 u square. This is the maximum blade efficiency and maximum work done for derivation. Thank you one and all.